If AnyDesk is showing error 49, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get connected again as quickly as possible. This error is often caused by a system clock issue, firewall settings, damaged network cache, or a VPN conflict. The good news is that most of these are easy to fix, even if you're not very technical. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is synchronize your system clock. A wrong date or time can cause connection and authentication problems, especially with remote access apps like AnyDesk. To do this, go down to the clock in your taskbar and right-click on it. From the menu, click Adjust Date and Time. This will open your Windows date and time settings. Once you're there, make sure the option that says Set Time Automatically is turned on. If it is already on, you can still refresh it by clicking Sync Now. Give Windows a few seconds to update the time. After that, try opening AnyDesk again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this simple step alone can fix the issue. If you're still seeing error 49, the next step is to configure your firewall. Sometimes Windows Defender Firewall blocks AnyDesk from making the right network connections, even if the app itself is working properly. To check this, click the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open the firewall settings when it appears in the results. Inside the firewall window, look for the option that says Allow an app through Windows Firewall and click it. If prompted, click Change Settings so you can edit the allowed apps list. Now scroll through the list and locate AnyDesk. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are ticked. This allows AnyDesk to communicate over both types of networks without being blocked. Once that's done, save the changes and test AnyDesk again. If the firewall was the problem, this should help restore the connection. Now, let's move on to the DNS cache. Outdated DNS data can stop AnyDesk from reaching its servers correctly, especially if your network has changed recently or your internet connection has been unstable. To clear it, press the Win and R keys at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, run the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each one. First, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache. Next, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This renews your IP configuration. Then type netyesh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Winsock catalog, which can fix network-related issues. After running these commands, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Once your PC comes back on, open AnyDesk again and check whether error 49 is still there. Another thing that can cause connection problems is a VPN. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and try connecting again. VPNs can interfere with how AnyDesk routes traffic and may trigger errors like this one. Also, if you have multiple VPN apps installed, make sure none of them are running in the background. Even a hidden VPN service can affect the connection. After turning it off, restart AnyDesk and test the connection once more. If it works, then the VPN was most likely the cause. If you've gone through all of these steps and AnyDesk is still showing error 49, it may help to reboot your router, update AnyDesk, or reinstall the app completely. But in most cases, fixing the system clock, allowing AnyDesk through the firewall, flushing the DNS cache, and disabling VPNs will solve the problem. I hope this guide helped you fix AnyDesk error 49 quickly and safely. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.